Welcome once again to sunny Lincolnshire and Thompson & Smith. And today we're very pleased to offer this Kia Sportage 2 1.6 diesel and 134 PS 6-speed manual SUV. Now, the car is on 38,000 miles and comes packed with great spec, which we'll come to in a minute. I've got the car ticking over already. Just of all, just show you daytime running lights. Let's take a close up of the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. And then just walking down the driver's side of the vehicle. You see the roof rails and the rear privacy glass. Okay, just come to the rear, just take you to the tailgate area. You'll see there a good size family boot with a 60/40 split rear seat. I'll show you as well the rarity these days, space saver spare wheel. So I'll just close it up. See rear park sensors, also got a rear park camera there, which we'll come to when we get in the cabin itself. So near side rear quarter view. Again, I'll just take you for a close up of one of the wheels. And then just walk down the near side of the vehicle. The car has full service history. It's just been serviced recently. And come under balance with the 7-year Kia manufacturer's warranty. Just going to take you into the car itself. You'll see the electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors which are folding. I'll show the interior, all in lovely condition. We'll just jump in the cabin out of the rain. And we've got auto lights and wipers, cruise control, or trip computer on this multifunction steering wheel. We come into the centre. You see the multimedia system, or touchscreen colour Sat Nav. Set back to the home button, it's all Bluetooth and DAB. I've got my phone plugged in here for Apple CarPlay. We can load all your podcasts and bits and bobs, also your own Sat Nav. I'll just show you the rear camera as well, I mentioned before, with the guidance lines. If you come down a bit more, you'll see dual zone climate control. Also a nice feature there, heated seats, USB charging sockets. It's also got lane departure warning, speed sign recognition. As I mentioned, 6-speed manual gearbox. And also just pop across to the service book. You can see there it's just been serviced very recently. So we're right up to date, and it would come with 12-month MOT. And as I mentioned, the balance of the Kia warranty. Okay, we'll just jump out the cabin for one more look. Into the rain. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, ring myself Tom on 01507 602222 or in the sales team, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.